topic is why English is important our life.
Because you know that nowadays all that things are going to digitally online, and all people are going to forward uh, in any sector or any areas. We need to communicate, good communicate, good leadership. uh,
Mhm.
that's why we need to talk.
Yeah,
Communication is the most important. Speak English is the most important in
right.
my, yeah,
Mhm.
because our my senior is also told me you build up your communication, because
Mhm.
you want to job, you need to
Mhm.
communicate with them, because your interview going going on English. You
Mhm.
facing many problem with them. You reject, you also rejected,
Mhm.
you do not give proper communicate with them. That's why we all of the people are need to be communicated English.
Mhm. Yeah, absolutely, you're right. If I talk about why English is important our life, so very we can say lots of reason. If I talk about we are going to find a good job, so it's going to help English language. Second thing, if we want to go with MNC, so over there also English is very very important. And if I talk about, it's very important in competitive exam, anything, and especially interview. If you want to do a job in private sector, then you have to prepare your good interview means like definitely they will ask about your communication, your English language. English is, right now, this is very important in our life. This is also part of life, man. Just assume that, don't assume, just go outside anywhere.
Okay.
Definitely people try to communicate the English language, and I don't know why we are not accepting this thing. I don't know why we are running from English. I don't know why, but English is very important in our life. Why? Because English help understanding, help our
Yes.
future, career, our job, even our life also going better. If you try to accept the English environment, definitely you will feel too comfortable. you know people are afraiding because they are thinking about my background is not good, my background is like Hindi medium, Marathi medium, no mother tongue language, like
Yeah.
I don't have a partner, I don't have an environment, how do I improve? People are giving excuses. That's why reason we could not able to improve more than. Always we give excuses, like always we have a question like man, I don't have a fluency, I don't have a partner, how do I improve that? But we do not understand, like if you try to accept, if you see, practice is very important. If you repeat a thousand of time anything, suppose if I tell you one thing, repeat a thousand of time, definitely you will master that thing. You're getting my
Yes.
point?
Yes. You are
Yeah,
right.
you will
Yes.
master. So
Yeah, I appreciate. Yeah.
just
Agree.
apply your real life. Do practical, not theoretical. Do practical. Okay.
Okay.
That's why, and in this day, if I talk about English, is very very important, because you don't believe me, I attended around 20 interview. If I talk about, everywhere people are talking about well communication, well English language. See, in a village, people also, people are improving. But if they go to outside, if they go to out, suppose if I talk about you are belong to like rural areas,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think. Am I right?
I'm also, yeah, I'm a
And,
belong from rural area, but
mhm.
my education is from JP school. You know.
I knew
Yeah.
that. Knew that
But
because I
and
also
I don't have any idea about. I do not focus from my childhood on English. I do not need to improving my language, but I now I am understand clearly where I need to English. That's why. Uh, yes.
see
That's
one thing. I'm going to tell you, like when you done your graduation, then after graduation, if you go to outside as a job purpose, definitely you
yes.
will realize what is the important of English language. Right now we can manage ourselves like about English and Hindi and Marathi, whatever. But whenever you get a chance about any interview, definitely you
Ye-
will think about, oh my god, if that moment I learn a English language, then right now I could not face that kind of problem, like definitely you
I
will think about
started my
it.
I started my I started to learning English before 2 months, but
Mhm.
2 months, but I do not have to improvement
Okay.
because I do not spend more time on talk with another on with English. I'm very shy to conversation with another with my friend, near friend. I do
Why?
not.
Yeah, why you are feeling too shy, afraid and low confidence? Why right now, if I give a, you are living so far, I'm living so far, okay,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
don't know
yes,
exactly, we are just stranger. So why you
yes.
are afraid? I mean, you do not have a more words, you do not have a more story.
No, I have more vocabulary, but I don't know how to express them. I do not interconnected with sentence how to make, and I think I am talk to another. I speak wrong, and another people are think to he do not speak clearly properly.
Okay. See, before I told you, man, eye contact is very important. Whenever you try to talk with me and other people, always you look, upside and downside. So don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay,
See,
okay, okay,
if we try to make a eye contact, then we will understand our reaction, what we are
yes.
giving a reaction, good or bad. So same thing we try to do practical ourselves. If I talk
You
about some like a horror story, definitely your reaction will be like it's scared and like some afraid like that. And if I talk about funny moment, funny story, then your reaction will be like happiness and will positivity and will confidence. So eye
okay.
contact expression is very very important while
I I
speaking.
I don't know where where my confidence is gone. I don't know why I'm looking another side. We talk with people. Why these
Okay.
things are happen with me? You tell me.
Because if I tell you, see, regular basis you try to practice with stranger, with yourself, with your colleague, with your friend.
Yes,
But what happened? Already you store one sentence like, if I talk to with stranger, then I will, feel to hesitation, low confidence. And you try to talk same way. Like right now you are having a conversation with me, you are discuss about some topic. So same
yes.
topic also tomorrow you will discuss with stranger. You do not try to implement in your life. That's why reason you are afraid. You do not think about today I discuss about confidence. Tomorrow I will discuss about fear. Day after tomorrow I will discuss about like improvement, vocabulary, grammar part, communication.
No,
See, one fundamental. Mhm.
I told you my routine. I more time are spent to learn English. I watching more videos on YouTube. More videos on YouTube. I uh, read daily vocabulary, and but I do not. I'm my confidence is not increase to talk
Mhm.
with another person. I'm more time are spent to learn English. I'll read a book. I watching videos. I read vocabulary. Uh, I'm also doing grammar part also, but it
See,
take a more
I'm,
time.
I'm going to tell you reason. Like, if I tell you just avoid everything, so will you do?
Which what?
If I tell you like how I'm speaking right now, and
Yes.
if I share my experience, my daily routine, so will you follow me? Like, follow me? Like,
Yeah, yeah,
Samir,
yes. Yeah,
okay.
definitely. I follow your uh,
First
suggestion.
thing, first thing, brother, like whatever you do, just avoid everything. Just
Which type,
ignore
which type of thing I avoid? What?
like grammar, reading part, listening part, watching part. avoid everything.
Okay,
Avoid
and
everything.
then what can I do?
Think about like I'm empty right now. I'm a blank. It's like starting point. I'm a beginner. Just I'm going to start today. Just think about,
Okay,
okay, what we
yes,
do. Start a conversation, brother. Conversation means like
okay.
one conversation. This is very very important. Just start a
Face to face
conversation.
conversation.
Face to face conversation. Absolutely, you're right. Just
Okay.
try to do 1 week regular basis. After 1 week, brother, definitely you will get a lots of idea what I'm doing. Just do it.
Yeah, you get a daily, you get a time. Then we talk with the daily basis.
Yes,
We
ready, brother. Like you don't believe me. I did a 2 month, 2 and 3 month continuously about video calling. Then
okay.
you can see right now how I'm speaking, good or bad. I don't know exactly, but I can say I can learn. I learn basic. At least I clear my basic.
How you learn how you learn English, or how
See,
you speak?
always, always, I believe a simple way, man. Simple way means like one-to-one
Yeah.
conversation. Whatever I think right now, whatever yesterday I did, I try to explain in front of people. I try to talk to myself. I try to discuss my story in front of. Before I told you like I had a one topic, so I try to share with you like why English is important. When I talk with you, when I conversation with you, that moment I realize like English is very very important.
I
you know
have
this
more information. I
Yeah,
have
I'm
more.
going to more information.
Yeah,
First thing, yeah, tell me, you're
I
telling
have
something.
more information, but I don't know how to express. In my side, no word are come quickly. I take a time to think on it in my mother tongue, and then I translate. And after translate, I talk in English. Why these things are happening, or when
Mhm.
when I need to directly translate to English, because I take time to or translate firstly in my mother tongue, and then I speak English. You getting my point?
Yeah, I'm getting everything, man. I knew that like in beginner point what we are facing, because already I suffered that moment, man. So everything I'm getting, everything I'm understanding your point. So first thing, if I tell you, brother, right now you are not serious about English language. This is honest reason. I'm going to tell you honest reason. You are
No, no,
not
no.
serious about. No,
Why,
my
why,
just
why?
let me that. Serious means what? You are trying to complete your task. Like today I will talk five guys. Tomorrow I will talk five. Same daily. You're doing great, but you are not giving effort like 70 to 80%. You're getting my point. Like you are doing regular basis, but you're not implementing. You are not trying to improve more than. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason, like why you are not improving more than? Because you are not thinking about seriously means like whenever we get insulting ourselves, whenever we get stumble ourselves. Do you know stumble means like
Yeah.
if I talk about, suppose someone try to insult you,
Yes.
someone try to insult you, that moment you got a stumble. Definitely after next day you will try
No,
to
but
learn, and
I,
definitely
I'm
you will.
I'm
Hmm?
very serious. I'm very serious. But you also you also right. You get I insulted to from anyone, and that time I get a point.
Right. This is very important. Right now we are having a conversation like one-to-one conversation. We are going. We are doing a rabbit versus turtle story. Turtle versus
Yes,
rabbit
yeah,
story.
yeah. I heard about.
We do not
I know that.
realize what we are doing, but we are just completing our task day by day, and day convert to weekly, weekly convert to month, and month convert to yearly. This thing is going on day, but we don't know exactly what's my implement, what's my procedure, what I'm doing, what I'm talking. We don't know exactly, but we are just going. That's it.
Yes.
But same thing if I tell you, If your friend circle, if your sir, if your family, if someone in try to insult you, like, hey brother, your English is disgusting, your English is like weird, that moment definitely you will take a swear and you will decide, no, I will prove that. Then definitely I'll
but
guarantee you, you will.
already these type of things are happen with me. That's why I decided to improve my communication, because before 2 to 3 months ago, some my friend introducing to myself, even I do not give introduction to myself also. That's why taking to decide I decided to improve my language. But
Okay.
yeah, but I, on the daily basis, I do not get a proper time, because I am practice on medical shop also.
I
But
know that.
I get time. That time I phone call on any person on this application, but
Mhm.
not such improvement to shown themselves me. That's why,
Okay.
yes.
Oh, I see. See,
Okay.
like you're talking about, I've been learning it since 3 to 4 months ago. I started my English journey, and you're
Yes.
doing it right now. At least you are speaking with me. You are speaking with in front of people. But if I tell you same thing before 3 months ago, you wasn't explaining. You wasn't getting a proper explanation, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Even I don't.
yeah,
I do not express myself. Also, I
yes.
don't. I do not uh, tell about to other people about myself. Also, even my I shame on my ourself. That
Okay, no
that day
problem,
I
bro.
thinking very deeply, and I regret to I. Uh,
Mhm.
we, yes.
No problem, brother. Just avoid the negativity. You think about like simple way. Don't make a complicate yourself. Don't try to make a complicate means like a learning an English language. Don't do that. Just try to say that yourself like this is just language I can do. And if possible, then try to talk a conversation. Try to speak a more and more, brother. Automatically, you will get your idea. You will get your point how I'm
Okay.
doing, how I'm speaking. So do one thing. That's why reason English is very important, brother, in our life.
Yes. Yes.
Because if we try to avoid the English, okay, we will never able to make a good career, a good job, and good life also.
Yes, you are right, and that's why I taking